Pampute, I represent the pretty girl Storm. Pretty girl Storm of the whole place like she have the whole place like. Anyway she play, me say she a lot that. Mad I mean.
Call Brittany if you come play it. No, sir. Brittany, if you send it to Puss, she a go play vice record till she weak. Puss says somebody call Brittany, make she come play it. And Brittany know what good for her, she just send it to Puss. Cause Puss now go stop call her if you play it. No, sir. Me laugh. Because me laugh when me hear Puss say somebody call Brittany.
Puss, I'm at school.
When never get licked on, or probably never get licked on because he was running, you go run down that one and stab that one up.
Wake up in a pool of blood.
No, no other part they go.
It hurt me. But I don't know what to pick out from when I can pick out. It's too much.
Of course, all of them, like Puss, Tanya, you go, all of them. I mean, I've tried to figure out who I tell truth from, who I tell lie. I know my business. But I know every Puss I say a lie, obviously. And not everything you go saying can be a lie. Not everything. There's no way.
Hey, move.
But who knows what the truth is and who knows what the lies is? I don't know that part. I mean, I bust my brain to figure it out. You know, none of my business.
I feel like me did a bust mine.
I was before. I tried to figure out, no, let people are not twist up my brain. Not do it.
Every day. Listen, this part of this time, I can't bother. I can't keep up.
I'll just watch. I'm not try to figure out nothing. Man or Nancy Drew.
Murder she wrote.
Her Matlock.
I was going to
Stephanie, what happened now, yeah?
This a guy, him not the right person to talk about the story. The reason being is him don't know the story and him cannot bring back the story to some old things, and it's like a broken record because they were past them the stage there already. So,
but that don't be in fact. I stuff where Puss keeps saying.
but he might question her about things that it was already like in the way about.
Yeah, but Puss brings up everything every day. Whatever it is, she always bring up. Probably the boy don't get clarification from yesterday or the 2 days before or 3 days before or something.
I'm gonna tell you something.
But you not have to worry, it'll go right back to it.
It's a Puss and you got them a Bonnie and Clyde. Them work because their intention sometimes.
True that, God bless, true that, good point. True that, cause him sell to female, he sell one phone probably 12 times, for real. Mm-hmm. You go bad enough.
Then that matter say, they say a Pussa do the scamming, but you got him used to scamming too.
Well, teamwork makes the dream work, motherfuckers. Oh, God. You gonna say Puss begging people that money for minutes and for bill our house. No, sir. But if I try, I don't know. I didn't send it. She never thief it. She beg and she get.
Okay, Source Boutique said Brittany suspected scamming. You could confirm the scam. Did y'all see Lemon's reaction when she said, don't let her have to talk certain things?
Yes, me say.
I wasn't on
After
the line.
Lemonade come on, me no want get involved like she fucking open her eyes. That's for sure.
I missed it. y'all know Lemonade be cutting the shit down to the bone. So, like that's like
She didn't even say much, but she opened her eyes so for us to leave it the fuck alone.
Did you catch it? Because I would love to watch it. Like Lemonade always comes.
No, because I was on the live, so but Puss save it.
Oh, yeah, boy, go watch Lemonade because I think boy Lemonade. She gotta tell it.
Yeah, Puss. She warned Puss. Like, do you want it? You don't. She specifically told Puss she would rather do this offline because it's not gonna be pretty.
Yeah.
The stuff that are gonna come out, yeah. Yes. So they know more than we do that's going on in the background, which we are not team Puss, so we not gonna know nothing. We don't need to know nothing. And that's just that.
I wish I had my life. I want a life to rock.
I don't know, this morning.
Ago.
Probably the first hour. Yeah, the first Ulan Fide, like, you know. Because she did how much live last night, but anything after the 14, 15, 16, 18 hour. The long hours one, then the other one.
Britney, Puss Nicole.
Yes, Nicole went up on it too.
Puss said, you gotta tell like, Lord of Jesus, you can't, but so watch this from one time.
Trinity so jealous, our little brother.
See, may reply to you when you said that too.
I own this in a supermarket.
Nicole.
Hey, that's a baga take up for one life, yeah, man. I'm confused to Elise. We can't help you out to that.
Well, I'm glad we calmed Keiko down because Keiko thought she was being like accused or blamed for something. So you know how she gets.
Nobody, I don't know, but who can blame Keiko? I break the car Keiko name.
Yeah, but Keiko heard about it, and who knows how she received the message or how they put it to her because she thought she was being blamed.
By who?
Everybody. Post everybody in the comment, just overall, nobody specific.
Nicole, me can't put one hand together, Nicole. You don't know me slow. Now I forgot to tell Brassy and then Brassy come. Brassy will clear up for me or Kandy. Okay. Puss bust the story like because she knows it was gonna come out soon. That's why she was saying, trying to justify it. The story. Internet is not.
Yeah, keep up. IG people not mad me. The William saga ain't mad at me. Not Nancy Drew. But I know I'll just keep my thoughts to myself. For now.
It's coming like Riverdale.
We just all have to listen and pick sense of the nonsense. Who can do the maths like Nicole say 1 on 1? It do it. Who can't? No. Guess when they in their school long enough over here, so. As in like the rubber dub scene. Why would a friend suspect another friend of scamming her? Yeah, now because like Keiko said, they had just got money from her and like they're asking again a couple days later. That's why she thought she was being scammed. She had just sent money.
But she go on like she rich and she said, I mean, it shouldn't be a problem.
That no matter. Not because you don't like her. That no matter. Nobody wants to be scammed.
Well, that's not a scam. That's a me a beg you again.
Well, I don't know why she thought that, because she was send them money, seems like. Just
Exactly.
me, thank God Keiko didn't talk. Like Keiko said, there is a lot.
Scammer when all them a scammer if them a beg you more money. Scammer when they tell us that you just won something.
I don't know.
That is not
That's what they call it. Scam, trick, con, whatever the case may be. She felt like that.
Yeah, they're using false pretense to gain money from her, but at the same time, they're not. They're begging her the money any way you put it. I beg them, I beg her.
Like I said, there's been conversation, diary, and stuff going on in the background. Stop questioning it. It's bigger than us.
Yeah, but you gotta say that the part that's my clear it up said that not fall in a scam. You know?
Scam, trick, con, whatever, however they want to put it. It's the same shit.
On when the lives end. True. Yes, we are just coming screw. Whatever to my mouth of festive me and just we up
The story that they are using is a scam. Yeah, scam, trick, con, it no matter. She felt like she was deceived in some way.
But $100 begging $100.
Who knows how much she sent them before?
But they are not false pretense. She sent them the money there before. She then beg her and she sent it. And this,
who knows if the car and all that? Who knows if whatever story he told her, I'll leave him not dating for 3 days. All of that is false pretense.
You cannot use it as scam because when you go ask her, she claims she never sent the money, right? So it cannot be scam because they never got the money out of false pretense. So please use the verb correctly. Like if they go to court, like you would have to say allegedly, you can't say scam. Like she could have counter sue you.
Okay, maybe she used the wrong word, but the point still remains. You're trying to stray from the fact.
That Britney's a stripper. We're going to actually have money and put on Jamaican people.
Me don't know nothing about Britney. Me talk about Puss and the money and you go. That me don't know nothing about Britney. If she a ex-stripper, teacher, or whatever the fuck she wants to be. Student.
What the fuck is a student?
Whatever. The point is stick to the story. A bigger than we, and there's background shit. Keiko enlightened us today, so there's more.
Well, if this is for a big like Britney foot, then that means I'm not gonna ever solve it.
So don't try.
A movie crew with a body now. Sunny, what you do over here, you're supposed to overpower you go live as a class up shape for your nice clean man. God, look how girl get fat, man. Can them look around her back and see what little booty to them near dead. Too many confusion. We want justice. Hold on. Too many confusion. That's why I left it, because too many different stories. Push said she have millions in the bank. So I don't know that dirty lady Britney that post like that. I leave it alone.
Well, obviously she was sending Puss money, so that's why she has style Puss like that.
I literally spent here 3 years listening to this saga. Is there something wrong with me? Exactly. I don't know what is going on with Kandy. Trying to speak Yankee, I guess.
Me?
No, you about student. I was like, what the fuck? It's a student.
We almost mad. I know we are trying to play Matlock. Night.
Boy, this shit just got my head bubbling.
Nicole and Keiko say leave it alone. Everybody should just leave it, done it. Them know what going in the background. They listen to what them a say.
We
Then
have
say fi leave it.
just like that. We invest a lot of time being viewers and watching because we want the saga. Why we can't know what going in their background? I want to know.
Because you are not Team Puss, and it was just special Team Puss that knows the business. Okay, you're too enough.
So where do I sign up to be a member?
Well, it got bad. You get kicked out long time. Oh, God.
There's more to come. Yeah, to class. Why movie crew? I don't know. I'm in love all of them. For them out tonight. I like it. Yeah. Miss P, good to see you back, Miss P. I'm not lie. You can't be a member because you don't get along with Britney. But I get along with Nicole.
Okay.
I'm in one Nicole rank higher than Britney, so she need to step down. Oh my God. I going in my church, not doing this next year too many.
Yeah, I'm going to type a Team Puss secret.
Guys, I'm moving.
Well,
No, Puss keeping secrets from Puss. Team Puss keeping secrets from Puss. Mr. Gaza, next year, me I see you right out here too. Me not know about you, but next year, after New Year, I will be right here. You have to over 40 for in the group diary. Yeah. Lord of Jesus. New episode 2 starts with Yuga and Family versus Shame and Noah. And I'll be waiting.
I'm watching. Sorry, me, I watch everything me up for me, I watch.
I'll see the team diary. We can't do.
But me really hope they can't stop.
I'm not team cool. I'm not organized.
Who says she not done when that woman did upon her live and Tanya not done, so he not done. He not done, he not done, he not done. He not done, he not done, he not done.
Why? I me have to say, me nearly solved the case, that's why me get black. But Kandy not believe, so Kandy believe say enough, but it's okay. Yesterday, me and Kandy, I said, yeah, bring her down, Today, Kandy.
No. Leave the girl alone. You can cuss her if you want, but just, me not think you have to cuss her, but yeah, just leave her about that whole situation.
You're done with your friend. Yeah, I just want to see. She and Brittany in her inbox this morning, I laugh, but your friend.
I lie.
Yeah.
I lie, yeah, people. Brittany put up your message. Can I go in her inbox and tell her if you send me the things then?
Brittany, well, yeah, girl, I'm going to send you, girl. I'm just eating.
She said, I know. She never said no, yeah, girl. She said, okay, bitch. Let me eat my breakfast and I'll send it. And I said, thanks, bitch.
What's for them?
I say, YouTube, yeah, girl. She posted it anyway. She put it on her fucking story.
Yeah, I think so too. Shay is definitely not even brainwashed. Shay just in a poverty. Oh, nobody know, but I'm here telling Nicole. Nobody not come tell me, oh, Emily gonna bring me down tonight.
I said me over cheese I record and I didn't come and start my recording. Like him just enough. Fuck. Don't like him.
Which part in the Orlando?
Who?
Emily. Not Emily, what her name?
Oh.
Not Emily. What the boy name?
Destiny? I don't know. Yeah, probably Florida, but I don't know where him final destination. Because last time I watched him, he went say I go to New York to visit a friend. I don't know where I go, where I stay, where I live, or which state,
Okay. Them are offer them coach tonight matter and somebody at them to come stay a film house and stuff. Some of them know this.
Oh.
Emmanuel, well, at for me today, and there goes makeup. I said, now, why you want to do it? Why you want to make me make her cry again? I have to pull out her ear and take off her nails. Hey, live, I count down this time. And I'll come back. The slide door open.
Oh, really? I'm going to go over Puss.
I say,
What?
it was say, you have options tonight. There's a big New Year's Eve party in New York. A lot of them coming here for it. Okay.
Fluffing my Christmas tree and listening.
Listen, I was going to Christmas tree that I realized them pull it down. Hell no.
Oh my God, I should ask. Call my mom.
She's live. I don't feel like, guys. I'm tired. And tomorrow I have to get up and go start out business on the road. All right, then. Me leave Brittany alone. But I still call her a dirty whore when I'm ready. But
this morning when Brittany said me sitting them, she take it back right away. She erased it. I said, why you erase it? She's like, you're going to put that on my ex-stripper.